Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But now let's get right in today's topic, which is regarding none other than Vechain. We're going to be analyzing the charts of Vechain, see what really is happening and where we could be seeing the prices going as we do go further into the month of June. So if we're looking at the price of Vechain as of now, which is June 12th, 2023, the price is currently sitting at 1.5 cents. We're down about 0.9% over the last 24 hours in USD comparative, but we're up about 0.1% in Bitcoin comparative over the last 24 hours. Looking at its market cap, it's still above $1 billion, currently sitting at $1.1 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume is approaching that $40 million. But we're going to be analyzing the chart, see what is happening. We know what has happened for the entire crypto space, and I'm going to discuss where I could see the price of Vechain headed in the near future. So before we get into the analysis, I just wanted to share this with you guys. Right now, we are seeing Vechain trending on Twitter, and that shows people are still talking about Vechain. People still have their eyes on Vechain, and the most important thing that a lot of people tend to forget is, even though there's so much uncertainty right now, there's the insane amount of fear in the crypto space, but we're still seeing Vechain hold above $1 billion market valuation, and that really shows the strength it has for itself. Of course, people are going to come and say, oh, Vechain has not pumped up at all, it's exactly like it was back in 2020. Absolutely not. Let's go down memory lane. We're still up 7x from its all-time low, which was on March 13th, which was at 0.002 cents. So that is something we do need to keep in mind before we do, make any sort of conclusions. But now let's get right into the chart, see what is happening and where we could be going in the immediate short term. So before I get in, you guys know the good old disclaimer. Anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So what has happened. We're seeing some massive, and this month it seems like it was planned. It just seems too good to be true, and I'll tell you why that is. We knew that the month of June is going to be massive for the crypto space because of the China, unbanning crypto, allowing users to buy it again. And of course, today we had, a massive news come out of Hong Kong where they're allowing Coinbase and some other exchanges to come and operate in Hong Kong. So that's a good news. That shows that, it is headed in the right direction. So, after that news, people were getting extremely bullish, thinking that this is going to be, an insane month. But, we saw SEC come out and start cracking down crypto, labeling some coins as securities and, labeling some, but leaving some as is. So that begs the question, what exactly is going on? What really is going on? Is this manipulation? And in my eye, this is massive manipulation. And if we go and look at the measuring tool just from, June 5th, we saw the price of Vechain drop 35%. 35%. But, if we're looking at the hourly time frame, look at this guy. So, if you manage to pick up some Vechain at 1.3 cents, you are up about 20% right now. And that was just 2 days back. So yeah, 20% gain since then. And right now we are being supported by some levels that, go back to, 2020. You guys can see this for yourself. Last time we saw the price of Vechain around here was back on December, 2020, and then it made its way back to, the bull cycle, and, all-time highs came through. And look at that. Look what happened. Look where Vechain went from there. Let me bring out the measuring tool for you guys. So Vechain, what happened here? Here, let me see. We are stuck now. I have no clue. There we go. We're back. So basically, you guys can see this for yourself. From that time, we saw Vechain go up 18x. And, now we're back down to those levels. And reason being, remember what I have been saying on my channel. Every single time, it was about the same thing, Bitcoin and the dominance. we're seeing dominance go sky high. I've never seen dominance this high since 2021. You can see this for yourself. And Bitcoin, on the other hand, is, seeing a lot of volatility, a lot of negative sentiment in the space, which is causing, a lot of fear across the board. And of course, every single altcoin. And now, I don't want to hear people come out and just bash on, Vechain alone. Every single coin got hit really, really hard. So those are some factors we need to keep in mind right now. But, of course, the question of the hour is there a chance for us to see Vechain fall below, a cent again? That is the question that everyone wants to know. And of course, we got supported by, the previous resistance back in 2020. But the question is, are we going to see Vechain fall back, below a penny? In order for it to fall below a penny, it would be a move of about 40% more down. And is that a possibility? All goes down to this boy right here and the SEC news. The next few weeks, guys, are very important. I think there's a massive battle going between China and the US. Of course, a lot of countries are coming out and, accepting the Chinese yuan over the US dollar, which is putting pressure, more and more pressure on, the US. So could this really trigger a massive breakout for the crypto space? We will see, but it all depends on Bitcoin right now. So that is my current overall analysis. You guys know my stance on Vechain. If I get the opportunity to be grabbing Vechain below a penny, that brings me back to the good old days of 2020. I will be accumulating around then. And as you guys know, if you guys follow me on my community tab, I'm accumulating around these prices. I bought Litecoin today. And, of course, next payday, next week, I will be looking for something else as well. And, shopping around, this is my favorite time. So that's my current stance on this. If you are a crypto OG, you've been through all of this. We've seen massive FUD come out. 2020, you guys know what happened. Massive crash. And, of course, in the past too, FTX collapse. Remember that. Mt. Gox. These are some massive things that have happened in the crypto space. And, I don't think crypto going anywhere. I don't see it going anywhere, especially now that China's coming in. Things are about to really get exciting. So, of course, right now, everyone would want the price of Vechain to get back to these levels. And in order for us to get back to the June, 5th price, we would need a move of about roughly 24%. And if you are familiar with how fast crypto moves, this can happen quite fast. But right now, all eyes are on BTC. But with that said, there's still a chance. There's still a chance out there. If we do hear more negative news come out of the SEC about crypto, we could expect, a 40% dump for the price of Vechain. I know no one wants to hear this right now. Everything is right in front of our eyes. But, that is just the case right now. But that's going to be giving me a great opportunity for me to be accumulating some Vechain and a lot of other projects that I'm eyeing right now that are really, really a great buy. But of course, this is a risk I'm willing to take, right? That's with crypto. You can't just be like investing into a project thinking there's absolutely no risk involved. If you're thinking that, then guess what? You're literally doing everything wrong. You always want to be doing your due diligence, research, investing in crypto, money that you can afford to lose, and building a nice strong portfolio for yourself for the long haul. So that is my current stance. I think we're still going to get that bull run that everyone's anticipating that is coming in next year. I don't think nothing's going to stop. Everything is going that direction, but of course around leading to that time, we will see these type of manipulation occur, these type of FUD come, and of course the global news right now, there's so much happening. There's so much happening. So, we need to keep these factors in mind. But here is where I want to hear from you guys. Let me know in the comment section. What are you guys doing right now? Which altcoins are you buying? What is your stance on Vechain? Hit that comment section below and go crazy on there. I love you all. See you tomorrow in Crypto ZX and peace out.